Hi, I'm Beth with the University of Florida Escambia County Extension, and probably one of the herbs that everyone grows in the summer garden is some sort of basil. There are so many selections of basil that we can grow, but probably the most common ones are the large leaf basils or the Genovese and sweet basils that really give us flavor for our pestos. Now here in our garden, we have one of the lime basils that's a little different. It's very fragrant with that citrusy foliage. This one actually reseeded for us, which basils do really well, but they love this summertime heat. Now, if you're gonna grow basil in a container, it does like a deep pot. It's not a shallow rooted plant, so make sure you give it that appropriate pot if you're growing this on the patio or porch. Now, this one is in heavily flower, and that's okay for us because it is attracting a lot of pollinators. But there are some hybrids that if you don't like to deadhead basil, you can purchase that don't flower or flower as much. So look for some of those new ones if you just are looking for that foliage to make your pesto or other treats. Now, this lime basil, we can use it in several different ways. We can add it to a salad, a salsa, but we're gonna go inside and Dorothy Lee's gonna show us how to muddle some of these leaves to add it to a nice, refreshing summertime drink.
Welcome to Extension Kitchen, and today's feature is going to be lime basil. Well, we're going to be preparing some type of infused water. Lime basil is a very fragrant herb. It can be used in a variety of ways. One of the ways, of course, is in beverages of different types. Oftentimes, it's added to certain types of cocktails to give it that wonderful lime and minty flavor, along with the basil flavor. Pesto is also another way of preparing the lime basil. Pesto can also be added to fish, cooked with chicken, and any variety of side dishes. So it's a very versatile herb. So to start, I'm going to do some muddling, and muddling is just a method of extracting the oils from the leaves of the herb of the lime basil. There is a tool also that you can use. It's called a muddler, or if you don't have a muddler, you can just use a wooden spoon, and the tip of the spoon works just as well as any other type of instrument.